you tell me when this country want better. Wahala oh, wahala oh. Now in Nigeria the face na hunger oh, na hunger oh. They killing passing disease oh. Wahala oh, wahala oh. Now in my people the face na hunger oh, na hunger oh. They killing passing disease. See, some they fight for Senate house oh. Some even they sing for the Senate house so I just quit and you there. Them go oh, they no go bring come out so. Wahala dey this country oh. Wahala dey this country oh. Hunger dey this country oh. Hunger dey this country oh. Person go go school no go get work oh. Wahala dey this country oh. See hospital say they no go work oh. Doctors dey on strike. Wahala dey, e dey. Wahala dey, e dey. Hunger dey, e dey. Hunger dey this country dey. Wahala dey.
Good evening, please, if you are there, Brother Paul sharing, thank you. Let me repeat the music.
Yeah. MC Wise and the Hungry Boys. Plenty things I want to talk. Plenty things he get it got. No food.
Please, for those of you that have shared, you will never know sickness. Sickness will never know you. You will never know no lack in your life in Jesus' name. I must confess to you, you are bunch of encouragement to this very wonderful association. God will bless you in a hurry in Jesus' name. Please keep on doing the best you can to make sure our words go viral. Because today is a very painful thing that a lot of people, they never want to hear the truth. Truth became something else to them, you know. Please, if you are there, help us share. God bless you as you do that. God bless you all. God bless you all. Please help us do a massive sharing. And to do that, God bless you richly in Jesus' name. God bless you in Jesus' name. Please invite your friend. There is something very important I want to be talking about today. You know, as I always tell us, discover enemy is a defeated enemy. Not until we are able to find out the real people who is our enemy, Africa at large, who will never got our liberation. And the reason why most of us today, we are in social media, is because we want a change in our society. We want a positive change in our lives. At the time your society is good, you suffer less. That's why today the YTs, at the time they are 18 years, they just start working, buy a house on credit, buy car on credit, you know. They will have permanent job until they die. But today, we begin to see things are getting worse every day by day. And it's no longer going to be as usual. It's no longer going to be Pandayam for play as usual. This time around, what you want happen, make it happen. Someone must split his blood for Nigeria to go forward or for Africa to move forward. The truth must be said. That's just the fact. We are going to be hitting the nail at the head today. What you want to make happen. Please invite your friend. Just tag and invite your friend. Unveiling truth today, we must tell ourselves the truth. Because a discovered enemy is a defeated enemy. Then at the time you are able to discover, then you will recover. That's why today, the YTs, before they start treating you in any manner, they have to first of all, you know, diagnose you first, know necessary treatment they are going to give to you. It's only in Nigeria right now, they just look you by your face. They will know whether you have coronavirus or not. That's what they are doing right now. They catch people who have coronavirus just by their appearance. So the artist today is not like that. But the reason why I'm still seeing so many lapses today among the European Union is like they are just, they want us to die here. They want us to die here. That's their plans. I've already know. And you may not believe because my father is not a cabal. And that's the truth. They want us to remain and die here. That's why today they doesn't bloody care whether you are dying or not. They want you to be building their country for them. Because the reason why the European Union gather and go and give 50 million euro to Nigerian government, I'm not getting it clear. I'm not getting it clear. You are seeing social media that people are dying of hunger. Okay, in what form did they think they are helping us? Or the European Union, you feel your passport that we are trying to get, or the resident to get, or we are happy. Now suffer make me this pain. Now suffer make me there. No. I guess everyone that is in Europe today, now suffer make you there here. Because no place like home. I'm not the most stranded person. But it's hard time we begin to tell ourselves the truth. The truth we know is what is going to set us free. Please, today's program is going to be taking a different dimension. And we are going to pray some kind of drastic prayer for here. Someone more. The history of our life retreat must be rewriting again. Because we cannot just continue like, okay, look at the bad society we want to live for our children. Our children, they cannot do anything because the way they were born and brought up is quite different. Look at it today right now. Your child does not even know how to dig a rabbit. He does not even know how to hawk. Whether you even put something for her, they will see it as an abomination. So what are we talking about? Please, let me see reference God. Eternal King of glory, I thank you, Lord, this hour, glorify your holy name. Father, Lord, the word you have laid in my heart today is what I'm about to share with your people. Let this word, O Lord, be effective. Let this word, O Lord, sound as a hammer in the heart of the European leaders. Let them begin to, let this video get to the appropriate people who are taking decisions here in Europe. Feeling where maybe we are happy in the life we are living. Eternal King of glory, let this video go viral. As many that will be sharing this video, Lord, they will never know no lack in Jesus' name. Coronavirus will never come near their dwelling in the mighty name of Jesus. As many, O Lord, who are passing through pains today because of COVID-19, Ancient of glory, save them, guide them, protect them in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Please, share this video. Who want to go to play with their life, let them go and play it. At least, we've been able to know. At the time I'm able to know right now, I know where my problem lies. Even though I'm not dying, it will pay me again. Because I did not just die ignorantly. I died why? Because I was trying to deliver my people. That does it. Because someone will pay this price. A lot of people right now, I begin to see some Yoruba social media bloggers. They are not serious with breakfast. That's the reason why. Remove sentiment. Remove sentiment. Nigeria is the cause of your problem. Not that you were not brilliant enough. Not that you have not hustled. Could you know, I told us yesterday how my member went to the field of relief materials. All of them cry back home. They end up crying. Say, President, there is suffer in Edo State. They interview a small boy. He said, na gari, na they eat on Easter day. Na gari, na they eat on Easter day. If you end up dying tomorrow, why if you not hear saying something happen to me, I will be very happy because I know where they go. This will not be life. Because my heart cannot just behold all these things happening. I'm not, if you look at me right now, know that I'm sick. I'm sick of the condition they are putting us. I'm watching our 10 years from now, how it's going to look like. I'm watching the very day the Europeans start inviting us away from their city, away from their land. That is why I'm always bitter most of the time. I'm not bitter because of food to eat now. No, we are not talking about now. We are talking about the future generation. Before I start, let me quickly show us a video first and foremost. Because for those of you that so much believe on us, God will bless you in Jesus' name. Or what Chinese are doing. A day is going to come, the Europeans, they will also do it. They will do the same thing. Now, if they do it to you, where are you running to? Did you have a country that will send up their jet or their plane to come and rescue you? That's the question. America right now, they've been able to pick everybody that want to come back to the US. They pick those that leaders that have evidential value for humanity. Now, why will me and you be having problem because of APC and PDP? You should be the fool. Look at it. Most of us have seen the video. Most of us have seen the video. Look at it. Look at it. This is in Chinese. In China. Thank God for the black woman who was ready to defend herself. If I thought they would kill her there now, she will make heaven. Because never dies a coward. If, for example, they end up killing that woman there, she will make heaven because it does not doubt a coward. I tell you before, Corona, each of Corona, no, something worse than Corona is going to happen in this community. So I made the world end once in just this Syria. The ground go just open, everybody go one. But waiting go pay me pass. If all this struggle we are put in, then they end up killing us with their tricks or using hunger because we are brethren in suffering. How many of you can still believe that? We are brethren in suffering. So your pains is my pains. The people in Ekiwa today who cannot, that imagine a pregnant woman put a pure water on his head that is not up to 1,500 naira. A pregnant woman. At the end of the day, at times, they don't go fit it to 250. Then our evil politicians, their concubines, they have houses in Dubai. Then somebody will be complaining why they use then you want to be politically correct. Why they use Ogun and Jesus Christ together? Are you mad? Did you know what you are saying? When I'm even sinning because of you. God cannot even count such a sin. Because the necessary rameta, the necessary materials or the equipment we near me that I can be able to use. Proverbs 22 verse 28. Remove not the ancient landmark. So, let me play this one once again for us. Please invite your friend. Don't watch it alone. This woman, she defends herself. He does not care whether it's in a foreign land. All those are women. Remember, no matter your condition today, in one day it will happen to you. Because these people, they are going to judge you by your color. They are going to judge you by your color. They cannot declare such a thing against Americans. They cannot declare such a thing against the Germans. They can't. The reason why see finish they are our color, because our African leader, they be mumu. They are mumu and follow come. They never want to change. That's why at the time your father in your area respect is yourself, you will have more respect outside. But if you're for papa and papa gallo, where they drink where they fall for gutter, nobody, you don't get regard from anybody. That's why if people check your background at times, where you from come, now so does it respect you outside. That is why today we have no regard outside, because our leaders, they don't regard us for to be anything. Now, the question I brought before us here today, I want us to do this calculation together. Why will European Union up to now still be giving money to Nigerians, to Nigerian government? Why? I know we've tried to ask our fake pastor the reason why most of them, they are giving it out so that maybe Boko Haram not go bomb them for a side church. We all know those one are politics. But European Union, at least, we feel we are here, they are going to be the one to also help us one day to say how we can get our talk to our leader. We found out that they are the most people who is encouraging our leader to be doing what they are doing. So if from now, I'm urging you, if you come across any policeman that control you the way you don't like, particularly when you have residents, tell them, say, now they are Gobiano, now they are leader here, they spoil our leader for us. They're not your carry corrupt. The European Union, they are the one aiding and abetting our political leader to continue what they are doing. Are they not seeing social media? Are they not seeing that there's too much games in this COVID-19 or whatever? Or they want to tell me they doesn't have CIA in Nigeria? But if they can, European Union, they can invest human trafficking. Why not also investigate the hunger and starvation in our country? Why are they not investigating that? Because the agenda to make sure 5G agenda must be fulfilled. And the people they want to eradicate from Nigeria, they've already planned it. That's why they are trying to use all ways to encourage our political leader to make sure they lure you into it. Please, it's time for you to defend yourself. A drum of war is beating. They want to eradicate you when they have not come to your death. And these pastors, they are aware of it. A reasonable man of God haven't seen the incompetency of our political leaders. You will not deliberately give deep money to these people because they are using it for bribe. We've already known Nigeria is being ruled by on no soldier, on no president. Anybody can just come. You can come. They throw in there whatever they are there. That is why today, when human trafficking was booming in Europe, not be a door stop human trafficking. Let nobody deceive you. Now Spain stopped their own by themselves. In 2015-16, they do a mass raiding. That was what discouraged people from carrying people to this thing. Not be a door not stop anything. The cost where they cost, a lot of people violated it. I'm telling you today, Spanish was the one that stopped the human trafficking by themselves by raiding everybody. No line where they don't enter. All to my line they enter around. But to God be the glory, I'm not those times. Italy, the same thing. They work together. So if they can go to, if the European Union, they can set up delegates to go to Awayelala to go and see how they use our people to the soil. Why have they not been able to investigate our sufferings? Why have they not been able to know that we passing through land is caused by our leader? Or they want to think maybe we don't want to decide. Just the way they will go to conference. Or they want to start telling you, please, I'm urging us after this COVID-19, we need to form a squad to go and let these people know in Brussels that they are the ones spoiling our country. And we are going to be giving them reason. By the grace of God, I will lead that squad. If you end up losing our life there, we will lose it. It is better to die as a man than to live as a... We cannot continue like this. Maybe the heart where God give me is different from your own. I'm living comfortably. Close, I have it. At least I have some money reserved. If at all this COVID-19 is going to next year, in the lockdown, we can still survive as a family. But what about our people at home? Even the relief material they are even bringing, no one is coming from the federal. We are seeing the games. The relief material have even been politicized. They share it to world. We don't see them in Uselu market trying to reach out to the less privileged ones. They give the politician to go and share it in their world. Now you are not a politician. How is it going to get to you? Do you know how many vulnerable children we have in Edo State? In Imo State? The government cannot do all. Not until we fix a system, a working system. I've been saying it. Let's try and make this government the best ever. Now, by now, we will know where the relief material is supposed to go. I think a lady said whether is it to one minister for whatever, that he was sharing food by himself. If there was supposed to be a functioning body, for example, place like Red Cross, people, we know people that want it. Because registration will be there. Nigeria have no database. Nigeria have no database. Then the Europeans, they are giving them money. Do you know why the Europeans, they will never be in support or BRAFA? It's going to be very difficult. Excepting we have to pray. May God, may Donald Trump fit come second time. At the time Donald Trump stand, Israeli Prime Minister stand, the freedom of BRAFA is sure. Say divide Nigeria in another way. We have to follow this prepared one already. This one that have been prepared already. This one will don't be half done, so we have to prepare it. My dear, forget whether you are from South or Southwest, or you are from a South Ewu or South Mumu. My dear, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. So we should be very, very careful in whatever thing we are doing right now. Let's always remember there is tomorrow. And this place, there never a time is going to be your home. Whether they give you passport, your color shows it. They know the story you tell when you came. They know the story you tell. Somebody, they themselves, they know the kind of passport they give to yourself. Your own have identification as a slave master. You are a slave, you are a slave. Irrespective, let's not begin to deceive ourselves. This is what I bring to us today. That the European Union, they are the one making us to suffer. Because they know the system that they have. They are aware of the system they have. They don't have corrupt system here. They don't have it. Giving 50 million. Coronavirus, they Nigeria, where did they fight? Let me begin to show us proof. El-Rufai that was tested positive. Today, where is El-Rufai? I think he's Yaya Bello that was tested positive. He later came out and said his politics and he's deceitful. That's what he said. Look at it. European Union, they gave for COVID-19. European Union donated $50 million, 50 million euros to Nigerian government to do what? Will this money get to the real people? Please, if you live in Benin, just go around. Go and interview some trader who put something on their head to say. Now that time you know, say, man, we are not living. We are just existing. There's a difference between when you are living and you are existing. Not until at least this poverty is not affecting about 10 or 5% people in Nigeria. We have not yet made any improvement. Do you know today the least person in Spain, can still afford food? Why there are people today that cannot afford food? They said a boy that was interviewed yesterday said na Gary, now they eat on this day. Gary na they drink. A boy that just growing up. The government have no plan for those people. They have no plan for them. All what they do is all about themselves. That's why today in Edo State, politics became one of the lucrative business. You can be a politician without you even going to school. Not that you spend money in political science or whatever. You become a multi-billionaire. We are seeing them today in Edo State. But let them still come to Europe. After this coronavirus come make us see a lot of things. It might be one man squad, but it's not going to be as usual. It's not going to be again as usual. We cannot continue like this. Now, for example, you are my friend, or maybe I senior you. There are some kind of life you will believe in. I will be that one day, or at least to call you. My dear, I gave you money the other day. For those of us who were disciplined, at least you're younger when you are spending money for them. Every time I call you, ask you for money. The one I gave to you the other day, I know I'll give you again. The money they have been giving to Nigeria, let them, as the whole donation Nigeria have gotten so far, what have they used it for? What have they used it for? The European right now, they are giving them money so that the agenda to eliminate, to depopulate Nigeria, so that it can be fulfilled. That's why a lot of things were done against Jesus. So that Judas Iscariot selling Jesus might be fulfilled. When he gets to Jesus, what did he say Jesus? Just a kiss. So they are going to also sell you out by giving you relief materials. These government are the best. Can we carry you for 1 week? We are not talking about food for 1 day. We want a food that will constantly be coming. My late father, blessed memory, say, my son, even though not 50 euros, so far make it constant. Because he was not a greedy type. Don't give me 1 billion today, then until next 10 years again. He said, my son, why are you 50-50? Or what constant? Or what problem at all? He even money to school now. Tango one even never we need banning. You go there, so my friends still come, I see put see mass aromatic. That was it. Now, we need something that is going to be constant. Now, COVID-19, Erufai approve release of 73 convicts, 72 convicts. It has been released. It has been released from their isolation center. So, if the Europeans, they are really following us up, following up our news, and they not see that we have special doctors who is healing people. And they not see that our pastor, the prayer they are praying, they are healing a coronavirus patient. Then why are they bringing that money into this shit mess? Why they not gather and say, okay, these people have been complaining of life. Let's see the best we can help them. If European Union can gather and go to Ayilala Shiran, at least they know the condition we are facing more than us. We don't need to even tell them. That's why today, if you are just talking story, this one, that one, this, that, they give you asylum because they've already know. They know quite all right that you are lying. They know that it was not Boko Haram that drove you away from it. They know, they know, no matter the story you are going to say. But why are they keeping quiet? And why is Nigeria abroad not standing up, particularly people that spend ages in America? Why are they not really? If the case we have in America alone can stand up and call for revolution, it can be possible. Why was everybody just become a coward? Okay, now look at coronavirus now, the way it's killing people. He told me to die by coronavirus. I better go and do protest. I'll do a rough. Maybe they shoot me die. It's an error for you to even die by coronavirus. You die by coronavirus, you go reach heaven. You were not in part of the struggle for ageing your society. You are going to hell. irrespective of how you die. I don't care to know. That is just the fact. The Bible, we are rewriting Bible right now. The judgment seat of God. We are trying to tell you what you are about to face there. You cannot just fold your hands. Watch your leaders kill your people. The dividend of freedom you are enjoying here, your people are not enjoying it at home. Look at what so many NGOs have done today. Yet there is still lapses. They said yesterday, a woman, a widow, sat in the driver's seat of our association vehicle. Say, I know they come on for here if you don't give me food. Ah, madam, the food, wait first. He said, I know they come on. Do you think a matured woman will be doing such a thing because he have no food at home? Now, what measures have the government been able to put down? And the oil that we have, what are they using it for? Let's assume the taxpayer money is being used to pay the worker. Maybe about 20% added to it to complete it. Because from your salary, you pay tax. You pay tax. From the work you are doing, there is fund that's also coming out inside. Then why is it the borrowing? Why are we not still having road? And the government right now should be able to abandon road and abandon life. People are dying of hunger. The 36 states in Nigeria, people are dying of hunger. Mona forget like life not go fit. Life not go fit come. More money than life like that. At least go and reach unto these people. The relief material is not even getting to where it's supposed to go. It is this same word politicians, APC zonal head. Mona go bust their house, go check their house now. All their house is full of relief materials. Did it get to the real place? No, it did not get to the real place. It is being shared in the world. But if we have the names, we have a database where if you lost your husband, come and write your name in case of tomorrow. By now, we know people we are going to distribute it to. Okay, so and so person lost his husband. If other people are not coming, it really show proof that they lost his husband, then those people will be attended to in the office. Serially, let's assume 20 people is attending to people. Okay, this also and so woman you have come. His name will demand. ID card will be given to those kind of people. That is how it functions here. The very day if you are married legally, you marry in the court. The very day your husband died, they've already know you are no husband because the system is functioning. How will you be backing on the lockdown? Face mask, face what? The problem we have is bigger than what you people think. Lockdown is not even the problem. Lockdown is not even the problem. Lagos State are discharging whatever. Look at the boy who came out today. Let me just read the first two lines to you. First two lines to you. This catch me crying tears, rolled down my eye, rolled down my cheeks. What a loss of life. He was just hungry and decided to go out in the morning to do this casual work in a bucket. Is a mixture of cement and sand. Look at how somebody died walking. Look at how somebody died when walking. Look at he died. He died. Is Oshomole's son better than this? If they clean this boy up, what this boy can do, Oshomole's son cannot do it. Why do you think our politicians, they want you creating enemy for? Go see that Emila for America. And you know basket all you make now they give relief material. Mama know you lead out. That animal with the America for that. You know basket when people eyes are running. People are tears today. See the condition of the people. Later, president, he didn't want to make coronavirus finish. Where they go, more who will because idiot. The most useless person. Everybody trying to see how they can. The federal is bad, not even the state right now. Now, small work, not the state. The federal is bad. Nobody's seen it. Nobody's seen it. We are very comfortable. Look at somebody die on top of Summit. Do you think that now so it take plan in life so in one country die? You want to tell me? Now so plan. I was one first like the new thing you are seeing today. There was a time in my life I was as dirty as this. I was as dirty even more than this. I was as more lacking more than this. So if we are showing you some pictures, don't always think, reflect back. Those are the ones you used to hawk. Reflect back those the way you used to fetch sandals. Reflect back those the way your mom used to put something on the head. Reflect back when you used to follow your mom to the farm. Your mom will put you for bicycle. We are not talking about today. So let us be serious for once. And join momentum together to see what we do about this bullshit. This nonsense we must have to rewrite our history by ourselves. My dear, whom are we leaving it for? European Union. European Union don't send you. European Union know that Nigeria is good. They know they see how they do that. That's just a fact. They know that if Africa is good, Spanish is useless. German will be useless. Italy will be useless. UK will be nothing but a nincompoop. Now let America will survive, because those one right from time, they've given the right for black American to do whatever thing the white can also do. So what are we talking about here? So don't take it to be normal. Trace back your step. Do not say that this person died. There was a time I was more dirty and more lucky than this. I did all these things. I did it. I did this thing you are seeing right now. That kid this boy right now. I did it benevolently. What the family having, yes, they were having. I need some extra money to put in my pocket, so that I will not be disturbing all ramifications. Carry my responsibility. For how long are we going to continue like this? Okay, you want to tell me you don't forget about 20 years ago how your mom suffered before you were able to. Now, you even removing your mother from the village. How you take remove her? Was it because of your education? You said yourself, where we got to today, we know how much our blood we have used to get to this place. It's not even the European that help you. You give her what you have. A lot of us, we gave us our precious body to pay 50,000, to pay 40,000. At the end of the day, you still have the mind of removing your mother from the village. See on your detriment. Today, your life is never the same. Husband is not just forthcoming. Child is not just forthcoming. Do you know what? Your destiny has been tempered with. What makes it happen like that? Because of your country. Not that. That's why, have you ever one day see me here, come they say, this one. I don't talk about it. Most of these people, they are in pain doing whatever they are doing. That I will be the last person. I think one of the social media presenters in Edo or whatever who respect women. I don't bully them because I saw the pains they went through. If not because of this jam today, Italy and Spain, Germany and the rest, that our sisters, they invaded this place. I will call it invasion. They invaded the place in the 80s, 70s and all of that. Maybe most of us, we don't even know what to be jammed. Now ask, what benefit have your government given to you? A lot of people finish Ekpoma. Their salary today is 30,000 naira. How much is 30,000 naira? About 60, 70 euro. Now that one, now I think will give you say back cafe. Now person go suffer for 1 month. Transportation not there. So don't see maybe you see to eat today. Your life is rosy today. Now, what baffles me more, because you have a sister abroad, you have a brother abroad, then that does not give you the opportunity not to speak about what is happening in your country. Forward, go to market, forward the message for me. I will present it, the condition of our countries. One day, we will gather those things and go to Brussels again. That one is going to be a mission to finish. We are going to dress like an army. We have to save our nations from this place. A lot of you may say they are making noise in social media. That yes, the noise can make a change. The noise can make a change. It's just that our senior brothers, our uncles in America, those ones become too lazy. They doesn't bloody care about anybody. All they care about, me Nigeria, go that side. God have helped you to help your community. Don't just sit down and fold your hands. And right now, coronavirus will come and kill you without you even agitating for better. There's no heaven for you. Because God is going to ask you, so on the last day, we ask you of your still worship, what were you able to do? We have much work right now. The harvest are many, but the laborers are few. How many people today, right now, who present a program like this on Nigerian society? So the European Union, they are even the ones sitting down on top of Bradford. They know that if Bradford get freedom, my dear, Europe will be here. If Bradford get freedom, according to what God has been showing to a lot of people, that a country is going to be born, and that country will be #1 in the world. Because now who fair build, now they build old one. Who like build, now they build new one. Bradford will be so structured. I trust America. One thing I love about Americans today, they are not always after what they want to get from you. If you have security problems, they will give you security. They will train up your soldiers. That's why we are begging Donald Trump. Donald Trump, please. Any power that will make Donald Trump not to win this coming election by November, that power will fall down and die in Jesus' name. That's why if our ancestors have not been kept somewhere, we not drive and come out for Africa. By now, we for carry somewhere who come out, use until they pray that God of our land, whosoever that is fighting Donald Trump, fight them. But upon it was written down in the book of Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28. Remove not the ancient landmark. Have you ever wanted to see your pastor read it to you? They don't read it to you. They want to add miracles to you. We've been able to see that church has nothing to do with Africa. Are you not living today? Are you not living today? Lockdown has been extended again. Are you not going to live? So if you are going part of the church, know that you may lose your life. Your pastor may be the one to tell them, I cannot deceive you people. This vaccine, because I have connection in Asoro, come and take the vaccine. They will lure you to it. That's why today, the pastor, they can still give money to federal government. That's why today, because they are friends. They doesn't bloody care whether you die or not. Who cares about your life? Now only me and I care, and some other good people. No, your government did not care about you. Now may you die that day. So far their position, they maintain it. So far they maintain it. So if Europe really want us to have freedom, if not, from today, my level then with Obali may increase. They are the cause of our problem. The European Union, they are the cause of the problem we are passing through. Why would they give 50 million to them? To do what? To do what? Do you know how many people is hungry in Spain right now? No relief material for them. People that have no, let me not talk about myself. I was giving resident to fund for myself. That's why I'm not the type who will start shouting, hey, relief material. No, they know. I can survive in anything at all. We can always survive it. Because we know how we eat. We are not glutton like those people in America. No, we are not glutton like them. We know how we feast our lives. We must survive. But do you know people, your brother and sister today who are no resident, there is nothing for them. There is nothing for them. Why they not say, okay, right now, lockdown day, if you know you have been at home, bring it a program that will be accessible for everybody. Come out in so and so place, come and collect 50 euro for you to do something. Then at time we praise them, they are keeping our brother in the camp. If they left camp, what are they going to use? Not be immigrants until they do farm work. Let Africa be good today. Let all immigrants live. You know, they see Spanish man, you hardly see them. If you want to see them for farm work, they see them for cagao. Supervisor for the see them. Say Spanish boy like me, they pluck fruit for farm. It's impossible. They know they do matadero. Where for the key animal. You don't see Spanish people there. You see Arab. You see Algeria. Now be white person we go see there. If you even see any Spanish person, place where me from come, you will know say, nah, that is nah boss. They don't value themselves. Why? Because they know that at the time we have freedom, they are gone. They cannot survive without Africa. That's why today they still make Africa their hunting ground. They are giving this money to Nigeria right now to still solidify the relationship between you and Nigeria. COVID-19 should in Nigeria. Sonwolu is discharging people. Lagos State government. There's a healing center there. There's a healing center there. So why European Union should be bothered? They should care about Spain and care about Italy. They should care about, they should have shared that money for Spain, who is losing in thousands. They would have shared in Italy, who is losing in thousands. Why Nigeria? The Nigerians have problem. Have they ever one day asked, okay, now let's assume we respect you people. They are looking onto you. European Union, could you know, they can go to Nigeria and pick up any senator and come and lock them here, bro. Una they hear of this man again, not be Italy, they lock and put. At those level, not reach, he not reach where me they so. He not reach him. That's why they lock him up. They know they take bribe here. Therefore, don't go use 100 trillion to bill and come on. They know they take bribe. Spanish will always tell you, who's your tenant llega at final. That the judgment, the case, it will reach the ending. You know, guy, you want withdraw and reach. The word that can happen, they don't come do sentencing. They must cut off and say, okay, I will not see him. This one saying on this time, I've been there several times. I've been there several times. Where did they carry me? They go. A struggle for a better society. When they invaded my city in 2016, one of the Oibo near our church, they can't go open tab. Now, a lot of you might have known the story. I've shared with most of us before on phone. You know what happened? It was a fact. Sagen flow, blood flow. That's why they look at these people and say, you be, now so you be, you are a fool. You to defend yourself. They don't try me. Ever since that day, the policemen that came, what they saw, they don't believe them. Have you ever seen man go they use, you know what they call Ayalo? Ayalo, una don't see him once. Una don't see him once. If the war won't end, may end. That what do you think is up to? A cause for liberation. I know they carry the shout because I is believable, maybe I can be talkative. I shout because of the strength inside of me. That's what I do. That if I can't they join say, oh, but they're not the way they try. Don't they be that? It cannot happen. The world will end that day. And it must end. They must hear us come. They are not going to hear of me as a cultist. They are not going to hear of me as a shintro. They are not going to hear of me as a human trafficker. But they are going to hear of me that this one of the boy who sued for a gene. Africa must have a gene. That's why that name, Newton, mobility is somewhere, not be see how they play. Immobility is somewhere that this boy splitted his blood for what we enjoy today. We cannot continue like this, my brother. Okay, what is ours? Do you know how many blacks that are dying in America right now? Most of them are multi-billionaires. Where is it today? Maybe when they were dying, they will be regretting, oh, this is how I end my life. I would have belonged to one trouble. Before it's too late, share our video. Be a part and parcel of this very agenda of our life must get better. Our life must get better. So we cannot just die like this. No. It will be an error for you to come to display, just die like that, without making any positive impact. It will be a very big taboo. A very big taboo. Our government, they are not ready to change. Our government, they are not ready to change. The Europeans, they are not ready to help us. No wonder the freedom of Biafra today is still delayed. Do you know why? Nigerian government, the CACO don't tell them, say, if you not give them freedom, this oil, and now if they draw them again, no. This one, now if they do them again, no. That's why today, right now, they are trying to entice your leaders. So that when the vaccine will come, they want to reduce Nigerian population. It's an agenda. Bigay said it. Bigay and the wife, not Lenny, we were. They said it already. I'm not seeing any of you laying cost today. I'm not seeing any of you laying cost today. Look at Punch, no, they carry yeah news. Let me read the heading to you. Bigay and the wife. Who have given them the authority to control the world? Bigay, is he a virtuous woman? We have oversaid ourselves because of poverty. The little we have gotten, let us go home with it and start our life with it. Just hold on. Just stay tuned. Melinda Gates, in an interview, said the lack of testing kits in Africa is the reason our numbers are low, but soon we will have bodies in the streets of Africa. That's what he said. Today, now in house, now they'll forget that body in the mighty name of Jesus. So area of begin. It be who can't we are where we need Jesus. Stupid set of people. Una money, una they feed me. Una not carry on Microsoft go. One ebo never come. We tap plantain leave. What kind of stupid that is that? We are keeping quiet looking at these people. Mona don't lay us on these people for social media. Make them know say you are not happy about what you are doing. And stop gossiping up and down. Stop talking about married woman and married man. Feast up your country. Social media right now is the greatest weapon you can ever talk about. If you don't want to bring your face, come and say you fear that. Because me I know the fear again. Because my name, it must go forward. On what for? Where we are, people are putting their Biafra right now, they are putting their life online. If Biafra is good today. Now, let me give you a brief analogy before I continue. The reason why I always tell you, don't let your leader to conform you to something that is not interested. Do you know the people today that came out in AAC in Edo, said they want to do governor? They were the people who were even fighting. Why are they insulting Sowore? They were people that me, myself, I came here combating with. Why are you insulting Sowore? They are the people today who later came out and embraced the AAC. That's how they do it. So they are not supporting Biafra. Your leader is not supporting, does not mean doesn't have it in mind. You better pave your way by yourself. They are betrayers. They will betray you. So below, I'm not saying you go to the Biafra till they insult your kingdom. No, I'm not after that. But pray for them. Just carry one day, just be tired and be fed up about this Nigeria issue of a thing. Pray God, make alternative. Look at the book of Psalm 126. Verse 1. He said, when God turned again the captivity of Zion, they were like them that dream. That to say, captivity, Zion was one first good. The enemy came down the way they are manipulating Nigeria today. So you need to pray again that God should turn your own captivity. Not until your country is good, you go nowhere. He have a way of affecting you. Imagine a lady that went out yesterday to go and sell relief materials. They were not looking for this lady. Where this lady now was here just now. He went to go and lock herself inside the car and started crying because of the conditions she saw. Not be saying Catherine, we just a normal being who see civil service. He started crying. Now you know say suffer this. Suffer, they pass suffer. So you mean we still have this kind of people in our society? He said, brother, may God help you. May you never lack strength. Keep on doing the best you can. I said I will. Until when the grave will get corroded. So I'm not doing this for fun. I'm doing this for a purpose. So that's why I came out here seriously. You can see social media today right now. Now let some Benin people, now not see know where they go. You see some Yoruba men, you see some Igbo men, they are feasting into make sure we really get it clear. If I talk, for example, now, we go enter social media, the CIA or the media, they find out that those people is okay now. We always see them, they laugh, they bring out people picture, they'll come say Centro, Ogun Kidison, Ogun Kidison. They will not be bored. But if they are seeing social media that is Japan about hygiene and society, won't they respond? Even God, he said, whatsoever I hear you say, my tongue, my ear, what will I do? That was what God told Jeremiah. I know you from mother's womb. That's what God told Jeremiah. How will God that know Jeremiah from a mother's womb? When Jesus Christ came, he amended it. So and so time BC law. According to Jeremiah, when Jesus Christ came, he interpreted for book of Matthew 7:7. He said, my son, ask and it shall be given. Not by that one, or God not did that one again, say whatsoever, I know you from your mother's womb. No, he still tell us to ask. So whatsoever you ask, now you go get. How do you think somebody will just come and give you something without you demanding? Life does not give you what you want. It gives you what you demand. You have to demand for freedom. For you to be free, you have to demand for it. It's not something you negotiate with anybody. Your freedom is your life. Your freedom is your you. At the time you lost freedom, you lost everything. You lost confidence in life. You cannot do anywhere again. Do you think those people in Chinese, as many years ago, many years ago, they were enjoying Chinese. They were very, very happy being Chinese. But today, Chinese have become a no-go area. They are anti-xenophobia. We are waiting for Donald Trump to do all. But carry rich here. Let it be that Donald Trump come. Go your do and pick a light, put on for your head. We don't want to carry for granted. We become too lazy. We become even men that would have even discolonized the mind of these women. Now we can't gossipers. A man will enter media and begin to talk all manner of trash. You feel in life you day so. There's a way this is going to affect you tomorrow. One day, they will tell you to leave their country. Where are you going? Where are you? Can you even sleep in your house? You will not feel even back. When I know say before one person will even try me for Nigeria, you will not say you leave your head for her. Because me not still easy. And me not easy. Maybe who you see you will be. Maybe the person where he bless man, he give you that one shop. Maybe I see person. So that's it. So una know who now. We know who can stay in Nigeria. I can stay in Nigeria. What don't they do and borrow they go? Not busy garden. We'll talk to easy by ourselves now. But there are people that are dying that we need to rescue. That's why I will not compromise this my activism for 100 billion. No. If my people is free, I'm free. The freedom of my people matters a lot to me. The well-being of my people matters a lot to me. Because I've said this scripture, I begin to have this passion to rescue from inside of me. Imagine upon all what Moses went through in the house of Pharaoh, he never counted. In the book of Hebrew, he refused to be called the son to daughter of Pharaoh. He refused. He ran away to liberate his people. So a cause for liberation. If I ever hear from your mouth again, maybe you are playing or whatever, don't ever insult any person that is agitating for anything. If you don't do well, correct them. What the best will happen, even though you are my brother, will happen now because now you don't know what you they do. You are the one that doesn't know what you are doing. The rest people, they know what they are looking for. Now begin to ask yourself this question. Why would European Union give 50 million euro to Nigerian government where they know that Nigerian government is scam? Do you think they doesn't know what happened for Asoro in 2017? They close up their they say the citizen cannot talk, cannot go and talk, speak for them. So now waiting you don't do remain. Now international community go help you do. We are waiting international community. X-Men go kill you. You are waiting for international community. Your most war. Your government go to treat you bad. You are waiting for international community. God cannot do for you what he has given you power to do for yourself. You expect God to come from heaven and begin to, with audibly voice, hey, I'm freeing you today. No, you have to demand for your freedom. What God does is to empower you. He gave you. That's why it is God that be empowering me. It is God that be empowering me. Now God empower me. So I do the little I can, I did the rest for God. Why are we folding our hands? So for you that is waiting there and be that leader where they follow now, in all the support, my brother, they are nincompoos. They are the most hypocritical people in my life. Now some of those people now they know. They insulted so worry. They couldn't pronounce take Amot Mose back. But today, what are they doing today? Did the same way they are going to do to you in Biafra. They will instigate you against the Igbo people. So that those ones say, we can't even get my say, I don't know, say, I saw that person back. So they are instigator. Una don't know them. Be a one-man squad. It will come in quest for freedom. It's between you and your destiny. If you need that, yes, you don't need that. Now you know. So don't become follow. Well, what you have to do with your freedom. Don't they do follow put. Could you know today, I have no master. There's one idiot that used to call himself my master. Because I respected him, that was okay, my psychological father, just to, give him that ego. He took it for granted. But after I left, what happened? My fame is everywhere today. He's still not the same me again. He's still not the same me again. Why is it that if you were the one that brought me up, the way you claim, because he doesn't know what we are doing, why is it that you have not been able to brought up another graduate like Comrade Newton? Why is it like that? Because you were the fool. These are the same people who will give you something. At the end of the day, what they are telling you is different thing they have in mind. Man, you have to defend. I tell you, it's a year of you redefining yourself. You don't first defend them, but you have to redefine. After defending, they'll say redefine it again. It's not correct. You have to redefine yourself again. So, not let me hear. It's not all about the Igbo people here. Nigeria will not work. We all know. We know that. Even the EU, they know. They know. They know. They want us, every one of us, to remain slaves here. That's why they do it. You don't expect the EU to bother about your freedom. If you come free, who they want you to do here? Who they want you to do here? They don't say, their police don't go see anybody bully again. Their police not go see any person handcuff in hand, go back again. They're not going to see any other person in prison again. Romania, you see them today. Romania condition was like Nigeria. Romania, they will sponsor get here that those people can pay millions of euros. But today, the very time they were able to join European Union, the same year, now Bulgaria and Romania join European Union. Today, their life have changed. Their life have changed. They fight hard. It was not an easy task for them. So every country that have gotten freedom, it will not be bread and butter for freedom. So if you cannot even talk, if you see people talking about the liberation of our countries, AY in UK, let me break it to you. What I saw in 2017 and now AY is here, is one of the strong members in Take It Back that year. AY, most of you know him. I guess most of you be following him. Yesterday, couldn't sleep. Now so I close one eye to it. Now say, AY, now you the torso. AY, now you be this. That man will get many baby with the UK. What I saw in 2017, because of where you belong to, they had not go that area, or they go, maybe a whatever now. If God say you go die, you go die. So anyone that hold his life for the sake of liberation, such will lose it. But if you lose your life, I'm talking about when you are using here, not losing it stupidly. If you lose your life, you try to deliver people, you will gain it back. But there are people today now, you die as a result of coronavirus. What did you gain? I would prefer you just go for protest now, but you shoot gun for jam and kill them. It better pass out die for sickness for that. Now fuck up on my side now. Me I too rugged for sickness to kill. Let us go to the war front more good one. So you can see today the condition where we find ourselves. You guys are not believing it. That's why pastors in Nigeria and the politicians, they are our problem. The pastors, they are the #1 problem. Because they made us to remove our ancient landmark that our God have set up. Our fathers have set up. They make us to remove it. The ancient landmark that your father set up. That when things are wrong like this, you meet your ancestors. What must we not do? You will hear a voice from heaven. My son, look at, carry 2 turtle dove. Go to so and so river. Pick water from there. Sprinkle some through the south. Sprinkle some through the north. And the rest of you, that same water, use it to bath your people that you are going to take to this war. Who know how Moses fought his war? Do you know okay, now why would God tell the Israelites to mark up their doorstep with a lamp, with sheep, with goat? Let me put it that way, Parapo language. Was it not sacrifice? The one context, they said Jesus Christ won't die for the thing. But why Jesus Christ not die for Malachi 3 verse 10? Bring your tithe, or not be a New Old Testament. Why would deceiving ourselves? So if you read that book of Proverbs 22 verse 28, remove not. It was a warning and a clear message. The ancient landmark that your father, you not say your heavenly father, your father have set up. Say me, you not remove them. They make us to remove it. Today we have nothing to cry unto. Where are they today right now? Where are they today? Can they stop any war right now? They cannot stop any war. They don't even have gun. That's why Fulani men, they use and do suya. They have never one day reacted. It was after set and dawn that the Jew came out and started walking. At the end of the day, nothing happened. The Christian chairman, president for Adamawa Abe also. Sorry if I made a mistake there. He was beheaded by Boko Haram. Okay, are you trying to tell me that all this thing you are passing through, our God became so dumb, your God that you serve became so dumb? He said, my hand is not short, that I cannot deliver you. Neither my ear deaf, that I cannot hear you. He said, but your iniquity have separated me from you. The iniquity of our pastors. God not go forgive them. And they're not going to die better. They know what they have done. They know how they have still managed miracles. They know that's what we need. Instead of we to look for a better society, we are there looking for miracles. At the end of the day, where is the miracle today? The people right now on the street who have nothing to eat, who are dying. This very boy I showed to you that was doing lebuke and die up. He might be a choir member in the church. It does not mean he attend church. He attend church. He might be a born again Christian. You are born again does not mean say hunger not go kill you or you don't feel get stomach ulcer. This is where there is too much misconception today in the Bible. They didn't interpret the Bible very well. All they know is to make sure they become so rich. The most highest movie industry. Why was Oyedepo banned from UK? Why was he again the same Oyedepo? If I go American embassy and they go even happy, I just submit my contract so you are banning the official premier. They must not can give me. Why they not give Oyedepo a visa? Because they know he's a thief. He's a thief. They know all of them. Oibo they know. That's why they don't bloody care. Instead of them to arrest them, they just okay, stay your country there. No people see they go America before the lockdown. Why was Oyedepo not given visa? Now no asking. Why was he banned from UK many years ago? Because they all of them they involved in fraud. The same God where they give them private jet. Why not they feel they give the least person for your village food? A lot of people right now they would have found. Fulani Herdsmen drove all of them away. No Christians association could stand up, at least do a mega protest. This thing must stop federal government. If the old Christians want to even fix Nigeria, that what God has said that we are sort of the we are sort of the world, a city that is set upon the hill that can never be hidden. Now they can't be hidden right now. What we are going through, the most are not the past one. They're not the past one. You don't try to them. If not for America, you know what Arab nations for don't do for this. Now they secure them. Look at Kazani Suleimani that did that Donald Trump. No, if you want to do better for him, you to do better for him. Where you say bring it down. Look at what Nigerian Air Force did. They went and killed innocent souls in Borno. They finished innocent souls in Borno. Look at it. Children killed after Air Force accidentally bombed Borno village. No target. Now, we not get where to not take the look where on one bomb. Because this is the Boko Haram agenda. Right now, they can no longer come because the Chadian soldiers have reduced a lot of them. That's why who know whether Boko Haram even drive this thing. How many times have you ever seen not even ants die along with the Kazani Soleimani that was killed by the American in Iran? Not even ant that was killed. The ground not even bomb. They took him from up there in the sky. They took him. Now, you die. You will not get range. Air Force, so these are people that go to school. They receive millions in a day. They wrote up manner of, go and read it yourself. They wrote up manner of story about 17. Where they for say 17, no say na full village now come on. Okay, why not go and throw these things at Sabesa Forest ever since? Okay, Nigeria even have Air Force. Why they not throw for Sabesa Forest ever since? So now this Nigerian so now why I hear people say Brafa no get. If I see you again, my brother, I will lay curse on you. Leave them alone. Leave Brafa alone. Whichever way they want to get their freedom, let them get their freedom. You that will need one Nigeria that want to die. Die, they will bury you. After all, you are no relevancy. Right now, people are doing political correctness. It does not mind how you get your freedom. So far, you get them. In whichever way they can get their freedom, my dear. That's why I supported them. If no one kill me, more kill me. It becoming too much. People wait there now because they are not your brothers. Eh? People that die in Bonu village because they are not your brother. One day when it will get to you, may know if they pay for body. This situation of this bad Nigeria, it will get to you one day, may know if they pay for body. Because if death never kill near person, you know, no say death, it get be. 2009, 2010, I lost my mom. On that 10 months, or that 12 months, I flew in Nigeria. That time, Christmas Day. I went for my mom burial. Before you know, Dad is sick. Before you know, he couldn't make it. He died. I have to fly again. So I know the pains of mothers. I know the pains of fathers. So for you, your own way, you will never die. If you see who die, who lost his own, if you want support and support them, if you don't want support them, not gossip them, because it's not easy. So because this condition, your brother they use his body, your sister they put a money for his belly. Your sister don't sell himself tire. For 20 years they still doing one work. Then he can pamper you and send you money. You are feeding on your sister's own blood. Now you take the feed. First time for me to reveal this. Most of you mothers and fathers at home that your child is abroad, particularly a woman. Now woman, he might have shed her blood for you. What are you doing today? At the end of the day, these same people in our family will come to the beat for social media tomorrow. Do you know the sacrifice they have made? Do you know the sacrifice they have made? But these people, they cannot still go home and sleep with their two eyes closed. Seeing all manner of jargons in our societies. Then there some people are happy. Doing all manner of things. My dear, if you cannot be them, you join them. If you cannot join them, leave them alone. Okay, look at what at this Vanguard Nigeria. Peru police arrest Chinese man for illegal COVID-19 testing. Look at them. Illegal COVID-19 testing. Now they arrest them for. Peru policeman. Now arrest them, so see them. Illegal COVID-19. If you don't get them, they say you get them. Maybe after I just test you now positive, you just have to give you the divorce. They are everywhere looking for you to divorce. I've told you, don't say you don't hear. Their mission is in John 10:10. They kill. They come to steal, to kill, and to destroy. We have come, we that have good mind, so that you will have good life and have it in abundance. If you die ignorantly, you are going to hell. If you don't know, now you know. Your pastor may not tell you this. If you die out of your foolishness, you are going to hell. Because you have no excuse for it. You have had it. You have illegal COVID-19 testing in Peru. In Peru. It was caught. Because they sent them everywhere. Go. Nana coronavirus center Nigeria, not Fed. All the tension you are just seeing, urban market, seen everywhere locked down. All those are federal government tactics to put tensions. So that the time they bring it, they've been able to capture a lot of people like kidnapping. Imagine, let me show you isolation center in Lagos. Isolation center. Those ones that they birth. Maybe they go the trap for themselves. They might be also be doing sweet me, sweet you for them. It's possible. There's nothing that will never be possible in that Nigeria. I just pray I see it. Normally, I know I've not deleted it. Just hold on, hold on. So this is where we find ourselves. A lot of people, they doesn't bloody care about whatever thing that is happening today. They don't bloody care. All they know is about themselves, you know. All they know is about themselves. Who cares about you? You have to care for yourself. Oh. If you think you have a state governor that cares about you, my dear, If they are signing any paper, I think most of them they sign some paper on that deal. Sign if you want sign now. Everybody will be signing. Kogi don't sign. Yombe don't sign. Only your own one different. You must sign. And there is to kill you. So the little they can do is they can do. They cannot do all. So now agenda. That's why if you are just planning of coming to politics, you are the biggest fool. Who is spending any place that will spend money in politics, and I know you now God will punish you. Go and use that money and give it to people outside. It's not going to. It will not work. It's a scam. It's a scam. The country, they should find something about to do with the country. That don't know a country now. Anytime president go talk, everybody will get that in mind. Una sure say this thing with this man talk so not true. Una sure say this thing with everybody go you get doubt in mind. Everybody doubt whatever thing they are doing. They doubt it all. See one of the isolation center now. See isolation center. All those are COVID 40 patients. See isolation center. You see You see You see Una see now these people have been paid some money to come here and relax. You get all that once. I would have also show you. These people have been paid some money. Hey, please, you just go there. Maybe 5,000 for one day. Then relax. So that just for them to see you say you did there, you know. So that's it. They have been paid. So now this one, now make European Union give them money. European Union are the former hand. Una reform hand. Now God now go punish all of you. Now the art don't our suffer. Now the problem we'll get. Upon all, they'll carry our money to go buy house. Make me buy house just now. They will investigate me tire. Wait for see money. The very day you start driving big car, maybe that worth 40K. You never felt work for this city. One my dear, they'll go track you. You must stumble and fall. That's what they do. But what about these billions of nairas? They know if once Africa is liberated, they are down. Europe cannot survive without the support of Africa. They cannot survive it. All till now, they are sucking us. After cleaning all our forefathers. They know what they gave from our forefathers. Look at the invasion that the Britain they did. They took all our artifacts. Up to today, they don't return now. Ever since then, they come to that kingdom today. Money not there again. They took away everything. But these same people, the common resident, they can never give it to you. They will not give it to you. At time we press Spanish and Spanish do well for our body. Is that time we begin? We deserve more than this. We deserve a better life. Not be so. This is not the real us. Not be so we're supposed to be. And look at another one. The same Lagos. Let me not say Lagos, Nigeria. Let me not say Lagos, Nigeria. Let's watch this one. Coronavirus patient for Nigeria or coronavirus.
Nice. He's supplying us with R&B, hip hop, Afrobeats.
They are playing music, high one.
This is our imam. He's the official imam in our ward. This young man here has been very quiet since I've been here. How are you feeling? You feeling okay? Good.
Just watch you, don't get tired. Please share the video, invite your friends.
You're perfect. Oh, cool. Good to hear that.
Siam, who come video they not even wear mask. Una Siam say, if they ask and say he not wear mask. Because they've already know say na scam. The person where they send come, no say na scam. If they ask and say, you not wear mask. Upon say na ready. No, is that how coronavirus patients? Now that one European Union can't give them money for. European Union, what damn no what? Who wire can we aware? If I bought him fear con le lo what wire do code go in Nigeria. For what now? For what? For what? If you guys are injecting us out from the house, una the injectors come up for us if you don't see us rent pay. Una know how many people una don't use less their life for here because one client will not reach anything. Una know how many of our brothers and sisters that you people locked, even when you know that this thing they did, it was a part of suffering. Now make our boy go to carry one. This is a part of suffering. Trying to say, okay, let me see I can earn a living. I made some people say, okay, if I carry you come too far, you can't pay 40K. It was an agreement. Una don't know that one. But after all this reliable evidence, you went and give Nigeria, say they will get COVID-19, una go give them 50 million. Una go collect una money back. Otherwise, il va avoir un fier contre les lois. Il va avoir un fier contre les lois. Why not give the money to Italy? Why not give the money to Spain? When people are getting healed in Lagos, this one no isolation center. Let us play it, my brothers and sisters. Let us play it. Il va avoir un fier contre les liens. Now go fuck all of them. Watch.
Thank you.
See, instead of the guy to talk, just hold on. That devil is a liar.
All right, sir.
Look at it.
You're suffering.
I'm perfect.
You're perfect. Oh, cool. Good to hear
Wear
that.
mask, please. Why without mask?
You see, he ask and say, no, wear mask. The guy not come talk. Because they are on the program. Christian go play us. Government go play us. Where are we going? They una they tell me say, una the criticize Brafa. Bobby one. Anyhow they get their freedom, make they get. Even though na 2 states, make they carry. You see how they are enjoying. So now this one European Union go give them money for. You see him? You see that COVID-19 for Nigeria na scam. Hello, madam, I'm online. Hello, madam, talk to me. Are they live broadcast? No problem. No problem. Later. Ciao.
Thank you very much.
Just watch it, please. Invite your friends. This one are COVID-19 positive cases. They can't go give them money during this one. All na agenda go fail. If there's a man to pay, there's a God to answer. He may more a contract. More than people to not come at it. I won't look what you look one here. More than forget Christianity. Whosoever that want to kill you when it's not your time to die. Now government, now European government, when you are here, we are aware. God created everybody equal.
My breakfast from this morning, which I didn't particularly fancy.
You see, huh? You see to it? You can even see the drugs right now. Maybe these drugs now are just for headache. See COVID-19 medicine. Mona Zuma snap and go give Spain made them for they cure their people. Una see Nigeria? Have you not seen Nigeria is a scam country? The highest Yahoo so far in Nigeria. The highest Yahoo. The highest Yahoo so far is Nigeria. So you see the country we are living. Hello, Chairman. Good evening. I'm Ola Broadcast, please. Okay, your feed, no shaking. Why not? Okay, talk, Chairman, talk.
Okay, brother, the thing is that the thing with the Apple is that say Nigeria with the Hungary never they beat us.
Yes.
Hungary never they beat them for Nigeria. If Hungary they beat them, they for don't come out in masses. They ask government what did they happen.
Yes.
Because recently when now this virus reached Nigeria, the day when they allow Chinese enter Nigeria.
Yeah, now that they reach. Yeah.
Now that day they carry call Nigeria.
Yes.
So it could be say our Nigerian people, they don't hear what they're deaf.
Yeah.
Today, our president now, not the Nigeria, whether now another country for the president or Nigeria the president okay, whether Nigeria for the president or the president for another country, we not gonna know.
Yeah.
So the issue of Nigerian people, our people, now that country now rich men day.
Yeah.
That be big men day.
Yeah.
That go take day there.
Yeah.
Dangote, then they produce rice.
Yeah.
Then they produce sugar. Then they produce indomie.
Yeah.
Then they produce spaghetti.
Yeah.
And if for the first time in history, Dangote nothing give each state like two truck of trailer of rice.
Yeah.
How can state government? How do they share rubber of rice they give family? That is insult.
Okay, now insult now. How many times they want eat them? How many times they want eat them?
A loaf of bread. Okay, now individual don't even come show example to federal government and state government. How things supposed to be? People will not get power. People will not be government. People will never even smell government house.
Yeah.
They bring their own personal money out of passion and love.
Yeah.
Then they begin to do good. They go as good Samaritan. They try to help the poor as they are rich.
Yes.
Now that country that go day.
Yeah.
That go to they produce rice. If they produce indomie.
Yeah.
If they produce spaghetti. Where the whole spaghetti? Where they? So they not give spaghetti. They not supply food.
No, he don't donate money to federal government. He donate 1 billion to federal government.
No, those one are Reggie.
I know. He are not be this scam with the
sorry. Unfortunately, say Nigerian people, our people who in their house, they are matter not tired person.
For real.
They not be people who they fight for.
No. Now take it back, me tell no. Now take it back, me tell no, chairman.
You were the talk, so brother, you were the talk, so you know how many fights where we don't fight for them for Europe.
Where now? If now when they want deport for Italy 2017. My flight almost fall for up now when I did leave Madrid to Bologna now.
Yeah, of course. Oh yeah, what you they tell me? Which one today our people they don't know what we don't do for
No,
them.
they don't know. That is say will be noise maker.
They don't know. And everything they happen now, we don't first see how you don't tell, we don't tell them.
Now they don't want here. They don't want here.
Then they wait now, say we go to send money. Now $1 we not they send though. Many jargon for Europe to America. No sending of money. We don't go send any money to that country. I recently there's one pastor go give federal government money 15 million.
Now W.
Go give federal government who he give money for us?
I think Polinoche donated almost about 2 billion. So if I'm not making mistake.
Who go give money for us? He need the federal allocation.
I don't know, my brother. Oh, these one are people who they expect say they go fight for us. So these one are people who they expect say, okay, they'll still use from their altar, they'll still preach. You understand?
Okay.
They'll still preach the word come out, you know. At the end of the day, reverse is the case, bro.
Okay. So look what they happen today now. See, China now, they're ready for war.
They're ready now. They're ready now.
This
They're
one
ready.
are war. This
Yeah.
will not be maybe say for the whole Europe, look how many people don't die for the whole world now. Not that it's uncountable.
Yeah.
It's uncountable. This one is war, and Nigeria they are not prepared. Even till now, Nigeria never started to build any hospital for now. Even till as well,
No, isolation center that they build. That's show just now. You know, people where is their isolation center.
Hospital now, and we not get lights. But you don't say our country will not get ambulance.
Even the machine where they say they want config the ventilator, not be light they use. It cannot COVID-19 not in Nigeria. See what you know Obasanjo talk. Obasanjo say they discharge 25 people with malaria, not COVID-19. Obasanjo exposed NCDC. Now so it exposed them. So all these people they have been talking from corner. But if you see how you today now, those ones they are killing themselves with cultism. Why not the whole court even unite together and say, okay, Mona just can't kill us once. To reach us, man, you real rugged. My ruggedity, I don't show for Rome. I show for Brussels. When I was going to Madrid, after my flight, no, it was 2017. I will fly from Madrid to Bologna. Me and one Italian policeman fight. Remember who fight? He said one from Morocco. Now say now because of I be black, he can't say no. Now say if you discharge it by you go lock him back. He lock him. Now he neighbor come he say no let him. You must lock him. It was an agreement. I cannot lock. He lock him. Now them my egbe where they go. Now them for the crate. I not feel crate for that body. Because we have tried possible bed wherever place we go to make sure this color is respected. But some people don't remain their momuna follow come. I don't know what's their problem.
Our country, they don't turn Nigeria to Yama. If Nigeria not to go.
Another big problem we have right now, the European Union. The European Union, they are aiding and abetting criminals seriously. They are aiding and abetting our political okay, now, see, this is where, if now human trafficking I talk about just now, chairman, other people, they call this line. May I see 6 minutes something. You do well, thanks for your contribution.
All right, bros.
Yeah. Hey, one love, yeah.
All right.
So every one of us, your hand will be on desk. So if you are waiting for your GO to tell you about vaccine, you are wasting your time, my dear. It will not work. It will not work. They all know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. All the big pastors we are expecting, they are going to one day speak against this atrocity and all that. They are even supporting the federal government. I see not be saying a quarrel. But now, if I thought saying a law, federal government, we have a lot of people. I think our church, we can best recognize the widow that we have. We have a lot of suffering members. We want to reach out to them. They're not going to kill you, put. The churches, the so-called believers, so where they say they believe in Jesus, who you believe on. That way they calendar all those with Smith and Greg David with the art. Now they are donating money in there to the federal government account. EU they have journal for them. Hello, good evening. Call for it. Irela broadcast. Why not? Okay, Guana.
Okay. My people, my two people, everybody now, good evening.
Good evening.
I know they watch this live, so I don't tire. I don't tire for that coach. That coach don't tire. It sure that coach don't tire me. Sometimes I'm going to tell my family, I'll say, coronavirus, that one, you know, in Nigeria, don't say that's where it do that. They even know how the things they work. As you say, they keep people for you, they even know, see a picture where they show your stuff. All of them, they laugh. They even they shook up for the same place, they take mineral. They take mineral like a drink. And just imagine, they even they record their step. All of them, they laugh, they dance. Show that Nigeria, I mean, no, whether for me or my opinion, if every state, may everybody just replace the whole state better. Edo people, may the state, may the country just be like that. Because as it been, I mean, everyone understand whether president will even get that. Because if you stay everywhere now, it be like say all of them just they fight for their state too. Like Yoruba now, all of them they talk on their own. Like Igbo now, everybody don't they talk, but Edo people will not they yell.
No, woman matana, they don't finish about gossiping.
Talk about Edo State, nobody. Nobody they talk about Edo State. It's Yoruba, all of them. They never say everybody is Yoruba. Everybody they show their own. Everybody don't
they show their own concern. We not get the one we do. Now to the you cultism take the key ourselves. Now we do now.
Everybody don't they show concern for their own state. Every the state that come the state home. Even governors said that they talk about their own state. Some governors
the population of Edo State. The population of Edo State. Now little different there between Alamona go and check what population. Edo State is enough to be on his own. Edo State, we have what will take us. We have it. The most of the oil, let me say about 30% of the oil that Nigeria has, or 20%, now Edo State from the con. Look at it today, we are still chattered.
People that Edo State say we feel rise up. It's only that Edo State, we don't like going with it.
No, now the top politician, go here return. Now the top politician go use and do what they want.
Everything, Edo State, we get everything to. Even though we never state of that, only that Edo State.
Madam, Siam, human trafficking. Now we be number one. Cultism. Now we be number one. Okay, me I don't know the one who dey inside. Now this say we not be minority for Nigeria. Now this say we not they cry out. Instead of all right now, a lot of them they form and we not fit join people do brand. Man, dear, not join them. Now so now take it back, now go work. To the all of now they see now.
Most they fight for that Edo State, they don't go say, well, everybody talk about that Edo State. Everybody Edo State.
No, they're not talking about that. How many people they talk about politics for Edo State? Nobody talked about it. All of them, they are in social media to insult Obaseki. That's not the best way to do activism. That's what they do. They have been contracted to insult Obaseki.
Because of this coronavirus now, if you see the way this tribe, they're not going to show concern of anything now. Their own, everybody now has their own. But some governors said, and then they talk of their own, they want to do their own. Everybody, they fight. Like that for Edo State that they see about 10
They'll still at the operation. Coronavirus patient will do what they want, what they want to do what they want. It's not there now.
30 beds, make it this day. What is 30 beds?
Obasanjo already talk and say na malaria fever people now they discharge. You know say you get this social media more they expose them. Let us not key into whatever thing they are doing. Madam, God bless you very much. I think you've taken some time already. God bless you. 4 minutes, about 20 seconds. Thank you very much. Time for your contribution. God bless you all in Jesus' name. So that's that. There's a video I saw just now. Relief material they cause problem now for God. Let me show it to you. When we're talking about, I think they were saying social distancing. Maybe they don't say nothing like social distancing. I go find a comment. Now TV carry on just now. I go find a Mona just wait. Let me go to RTV page. They just put on 1 hour ago. I just screw this thing just now and see him. Oh, it will be very painful if I don't see him. Oh. If you see crowd where they there, please, if you know you have it, send it for me. The thing just vanish. This activists are supposed to be here now. They were just there. They were nothing like social distancing. Nothing like social distancing. You know. I thought I shared this thing. Maybe God knows why I don't want to make a show. You know, according to the what because I wear here this thing just now, the casco, find the color and casco earphone. They talk say they lock them outside, they relieve material where they can't collect. So crowd there because it will not get to everybody. I'll be saying it. It will not get to everybody. Before you know now, people will also start dying. It will not get because how it will get system where they function. The government would have not just put himself. Liaise with some NGOs. Send people. Let them go to market. There are people that work this thing, not be everybody. A lot of them, they there just now, where they ego. They are enogi, whether I enogi they call them. Palace there for just now, you know. A lot of them get food for us. They just want to come in, they can't take their consignment. And it's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. So these are the country that we are living. These are the reason why we are telling you, be getting ready. This is no longer going to be going the way or you ought to be. And your leader, you feel they are there for you. They cannot. One the other from the federal, it is you they can do. It is you they can do. If you look at the very first government that came, Oshomole, he put Edo into a state of vulnerable. He left Edo in a state of chaotic and aquatic state. Then he left. Then Obaseki came. We are now leeching on Obaseki to turn Edo state under 3 years like Europe. It's not going to be possible. The man should be given time to do the little he can. Now me and you now need to rule ourselves now. Only Obaseki cannot dictate for us what we need. Now we'll submit for support to give him. Say, okay, see what we need. Look at what we need. So if the government can invite Newton after this very time, let us sit down. It's not about me getting an appointment. We find out that a lot of people surrounding this government, they are born fool. They don't know what they are doing. Most of them, they are misguided elements. All they know about it themselves. If there have been this kind of a system fed day to distribute, we know the people that are suffering. We will know them. We will know. It's not hard to know. Local government bring the list of these people with their house address. Why there will be special agency that will go and really go and check whether the house address and the number they wrote is really in that same condition. But today, right now, you will just carry and go there, look at and see what you reach in your hand. If you don't reach your hand, no verse, we know you are quite all right. There are a lot of people who will still be sincerely enough. We get like 5 children for John. You go say, oh, women, why worry? No. Or in the body, if they go give them, you go give another person. There are still people that have that kind of gesture who can't do such a thing. If the rich in hand say that you expect they just go somewhere, go and pick food. What did you expect? If you just pay me say I don't see the thing now. You just pay me say let me see whether anything like social distancing they there. Nothing like social distancing not there. It's not there. Nothing like that. Everywhere is overcrowded. Everywhere is overcrowded in the place. So you are telling me you are controlling COVID-19. See the thing here. Find it out.
His Royal Highness, Agbehioma.
Look at it. Look at it, what I was telling you about.
Chaotic situation at the palace of the Enoge of Ego. His Royal Highness Agbehioma Ogiego II, as residents who came to collect relief items donated by the state government were locked outside.
Una see social distance.
The local government chairman Ego Bemudia visited the palace of the Enoge of Ego to assess the distribution of the relief materials, which was to be done at the residence of the Ojonwe, aimed at maintaining social distancing.
Where is social distancing? When I see the social distancing of Ghana, Kosebuti and the World Best Run.
The Enoge of Ego ordered his boys, his demons, to fight me in his palace.
Okay.
He has intercepted the state government food intervention.
Okay. Wamiao. Hey, always set if Wakpo. Ita we na see away. Food matter.
You are supposed to share it accordingly. The Enoge of Ego ordered his boys to fight me up. Yes, he ordered to beat me up. And I went to meet him inside his palace. And I said to him, you have asked your boys to beat me up. And they were fighting on my boys. And they should beat me up. And the food will not leave his palace. The people in that community are not getting anything. The news crew was prevented from gaining access into the palace of the Enoge. The local government chairman,
Nigeria is finished.
however, monitor the exercise.
Nigeria is dead and buried.
Personally distributed.
Oh, Odimegbe Wagbon. Hey, Moria. Oh, Odimegbe. Hello, call you know guerrilla broadcast. Oh, am I true? Come on. Okay, mom.
Items to the elderly, widows, and others. For other areas in Ego, we give God the glory, and we're able to identify some houses around the community as well, which I went by myself to distribute them house to house, so that you'll be able to get to the real people that we know that really need this food.
Really appreciate and I thank Edo State government. God bless them. I thank God will bless them for giving me this food. This one will last me for a month or 3 weeks. I thank
Now, sorry, here state marriage well. Which kind of food they give you the last? Gununi last you for a month. Which food one last you for 1 month and 3 weeks for them? Uno biza ya monu. People just they lie. Not be that of Baba that they give you and they last for a month and 3 weeks. I don't know why they're not about the thought truth. If they say me you even lie, you know you sense still lie. Small time they'll go put you for bed. Maybe you can't say you get COVID-19 and you not get them. What kind of trash is all that? Please let us be ending it here by the grace of God. I will come across your way again by the grace of God, you know. So you can see this I think Bila said that the local government chairman Enoge of Ego, other boys made them. I don't know, but it should be one of those top local government something. That one, if it is to contest election now, fight don't happen between you and Enoge now. Now tell me, if there was a system that is functioning, it will not even get to the Enoge of Ego. Enoge will be giving his own if needed. You can see today that we don't have a system. For them to remove what I call ego and call now say okay, we have been hearing you guys talking. You come. What can we do? You have been abroad for long and you have been in this struggle for hygiene and society. How does Joseph became useful in the house of Pharaoh in Egypt? He interpreted a dream. These people, they will never allow you to interpret your dream. Interpret their dream. They feel they know it all. You can see it now. This very fight is going to lead to another thing. Before you know now, they'll say one go kill one because what the people know how to do is assassination. They are number one highest assassin in the world. Sharing food, that is not supposed to cause problem. That food get to your palace, let us split it. Because there's no way can food get to the main people. Enoge is going to give to his extended family. It will not get to the main people. It will not get to the main people. Don't deceive yourselves. How many people get the food in Oredo? How many people get the food in Oredo? Go to Oredo. Go to La New Benin. I think New Benin should be Oredo also. Go to New Benin. Meet all those women there that put, who get belly, carry something for head, they hawk. Whether food reach their hand, may you know. Go and do the investigation yourself. Because these same political wolves, political inwins, and political ikpekpewu, they give it to their loved ones, people that they know. They share it according, they also politicize it. Maybe if you doesn't even have voter card, it may not even get to you. But this was not, maybe this is not the instruction of the state government. Give it to the less privileged one. Even when they can even afford it to, their house will still be stuck. Their house will still be stuck with this food. The main people did not get to them. If you have get it to them, for example, yesterday, my member would have not been attacked, that a woman sat down, that the crowd that overcrowded them, if not they were many, they would have even destroyed the association fund. Hunger. Hunger. Then here you are, every one of us. We are misbehaving. We have not been able to defend ourselves and put something on ground. Look at what we are pursuing. I don't know what they pursue. Politicians they pursue. All they pursue right now, they are worst enemies of Obaseki. And the problem of Edo State is more than that. You see that Ewu is somewhere still insulting Obaseki today. Is that time? Say what is wrong with this country and how are we going to do it? Is the main thing. You don't hear awareness from them. Please. Your leader, some of them not get sense, some of them are Ewu Meride, they are Mumuna follow come. Decide your destiny yourself. Because your back tomorrow, they will go past your back. Waiting and criticize for you, they will come go be them tomorrow. It happens, take it back. We are seeing it today. It happens. The people that I fought, just the way we did it down here, not be say with the carry gun, ununa ya time. They are not the one Baba of this sympathy. But when we started, hey, they make mess for that. So Ware is not going anywhere. That's how this Biafra issue is going to look like at the end of the day. They will try to kind of give you the imaginalization, carry you away from the main screen. After you don't carry it finish, you can't see them. Hey, oh, but this guy don't go buy land for Inewu because you know say Biafra freedom soon set. You go buy land made for cheap. A lot of them will don't see the gun they buy. Confirm their details. But they will come on media. They will be the first person that will criticize it. So we know you. So you can only bamboozle your stupid followers that don't know what they are doing. I know you very well. You know I know you. I know you guys. I know what you are capable of doing. So please let's end this very show here by the grace of God. By the grace of God, tomorrow, as priest leads, we must also come from another perspective to tell you things that affect us more. This very we may not be doing sermon. We're going to do it like this thing. We are able to get that gene and society. It's a thing we must. It's going to be a combined effort. Not what one person can do. Not what one. Only me one cannot. Without you sharing this video, it cannot go forward. So share the video. Let it go viral. We are not going to start using sentiment for anything. You know. Whatever thing we are doing, we mean it. So let's enjoy this piece of music to the glory of God. At least this analogy, we've been able to trace it. And go on your usual time, see the best way you can be able to imagine on your own and fill in the blank. Fill in the blank space. Then this day you should put stone there. Fill in the appropriate word. If you take it from from 1 to Z, or from A to Z, look at the European agenda. Look at COVID-19 agenda in Nigeria. And you will best understand that there's something fishy. May your head never be used. May you never be eradicated. May you never die before your time in Jesus' name. But anyone planning to eradicate anybody as far as this life is concerned, God, if you be God, let ground open and swallow up in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Let's enjoy the bit of music. Please, if today is your first time, follow us in our page. Follow us in our page. Follow us, like our page. So that anytime we are online, you can get the notification.
Some they die for West, hunger they for North.
Good night, everyone. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you very much for tuning in. We are in this together by the grace of God. We must get our liberation. We are not born to suffer. There's hunger everywhere. Nigerians are dying of hunger. Nothing's working. The whole system is down. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thank you for tuning in. I remain your beloved brother, communicating Benegon, the Bishop of Activism. By the grace of God, we'll do the best we can. In the time of your trial, do the little you can and leave the rest for God. It's an error for you not to do anything at all. Jara Safara Selassie Maguna. Ciao, bye.